Okay, Pute. Last week we just learned about the process, we just learned about the computer and its main components: input, output, as well as input devices, output devices, and as well as the processing part. And here you can see in your screen. Can you see Can you see my screen, Pute? Hello.
Yes.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. Okay, now can you see my
Yes,
screen?
sir.
Okay, good. So right, you can see a computer. Actually, this is called a desktop computer. This is called a desktop computer where you can keep it on top of a desk, right? So we call it a desktop computer, right? You can see it has different components, right? What are the components? So can you recognize them all? Can you recognize them all? Okay, let's see. You can see speakers. Why we are using speakers in computer? To input or output? Speakers, input, is it? Or for output?
No, output.
To
Output.
output. To give some. So is through speakers, we can listen, right? We can hear some sounds. So how sounds come out? So you can see these sounds will come out of the computer, right? Computer එකෙන් එළියටනේ දෙන්නේ, sounds will come out of the computer, so we call output, right? This is an output because the sound will come out, right? It is output. Okay, monitor, is it input or output? Monitor or the screen is, monitor means the screen. Monitor කියලා කියන පන්තිය monitor නෙවෙයි ඈ. Monitor කියන්නේ මෙතන screen එකට. Monitor is input or output? Yes, Pute? Okay. Right. We were discussing about monitor. Right? Monitor, is it input or output? Can you hear me? Is it input or output? Output, right? It will give images out. Images monitor can out karanne. Right? It will give these images and the views out. It will give these images out. Therefore, we call output devices. Images එළියට දෙනවනේ. එහෙනම් එයත් output තමයි. Okay, then what? Then you have system unit. Right, this one, system, this box is called system unit. Is it input or output? System unit input the output. Is it input or output?
Output.
Yes, Pute? Is it input or output, system unit? Yes. Okay, we cannot tell like that, right? For system unit, we cannot tell whether it's input or output. System unit is the box that you can see here. Okay, then printer. Printer. Can you see the printer?
Output.
Output. Yes, printer is giving some printouts. The print out print outs. Print outs. It's output. Right? And hard drive, CD drive, these are some other storage. We call them storages. We will learn that, right? Don't worry, we will learn that. And flash card, that is also storage. Floppy disk is also storage. Mouse. Mouse. What about the mouse? Is it input or output? Yes?
Input.
Input. Right? It can give things in. Mouse cannot give something out නේ. Mouse එකට එළියට දෙන්න බෑනේ. Mouse එකෙන් පුළුවන් අපිට ඇතුළට දේවල් දෙන්න. We can give something in. When you move the mouse, it will move the cursor or the screen. Screen pointer, it's moving here and there. So it is input. Keyboard. Keyboard also we can give keys, right? That is input. What is also
Input.
input? Yes. Okay. Now you know the basic input and output. Is there anything this microphone? The speakers are
Output.
giving out, but microphones are taking in the
Input.
input. Microphones are listening, taking things in. It's input. Okay, Putte. Right. Let's move to the next. Right. Here, this is another image, and this is what inside the system unit. So the system unit, inside the system unit, there are many components. It's time inside the system unit, there are many components, right? So these are some examples. These are some examples what is inside this system unit. System unit එක කියලා කියන්නේ පුතේ දැන් computer එකක තියෙන අර ලොකු පෙට්ටියක් වගේ තියෙන්නේ දැකලා තියෙනවද මේ ස්කූල් එකේ එහෙම ඇති. දැන් laptop එකක නම් මේ වගේ කොටස තමයි system unit එක වගේ යන්නේ. මේ තියෙන laptop එකක් ගත්තම laptop එකේ උඩින් තියෙන screen එකනේ. මේ තියෙන screen එකනේ. එතකොට screen එකට යටින් මේ තියෙන කොටස තමයි මේ system unit එකට සමාන වෙන්නේ. මේ keyboard එකට යටින් තියෙන කෑල්ල. That is similar to the system unit. හරි? ඒ laptop එකක. හැබැයි computer එකක සාමාන්‍ය desktop computer එකක අම්මගේ ළඟ තියෙනවා මට පෙන්වන්න පුළුවන් ඔයාලට. ඉන්න මෙහෙම. හරි. දැන් අපි computer එකක් තිබ්බොත් චූටක් ඉන්න මෙතන clear නෑනේ මගේ screen එක. හරි. දැන් බලමු අපි මේකෙන් phone එකෙන් share කරලා. මගේ phone එකෙන් share කරන්නම්කෝ. හරි. Right. දැන් ඔයාලා බලන්න මේ බලන්න. ඔයාලට පේනවද දන්නේ නැහැ. Let's share in the other side නේද? පේන්නේ slow. Wait. Somewhat slow. Can I share? Where's the camera? Right. Can you see this? It's slow, but you can see this, right? This is okay. Can you see my screen again? Yes, right. Okay, Buddhi. Right. Next. So what can you see in this screen? What you can see in this screen? Yes. So what can you see in this screen? What is this device? Yes, Pute?
Laptop.
A laptop. Okay, a laptop. Is it a computer? Is it a computer? Yeah, computer එකක්ද laptop එක කියන්නේ. Is it a computer? Yes or no?
No.
Yes or no? Come on.
No.
No. It's a computer. හරි laptop
No.
එක කියන්නේ computer එකක්ම තමයි. හරිද? පුතේ කියන්නේ computer එකක වෙන the laptop එකේ විශේෂත්වය මොකද්ද? You can move laptop from one place to another place. හරිද? laptop එක ඔයාලට එක තැනක ඉඳන් තවත් තැනකට ගෙනියන්න පුළුවන් computer. හරි ලැප්ටොප් එක කියන්නේ එක තැනක ඉඳන් තව තැනකට ගෙනියන්න පුළුවන් කම්පියුටර් එකක්. wait තප්පරයක්කින් බලන්න. Okay, next one. Can you see this one? What is this? What are these? So all these are computers, Pute. All of these are computers, right? All of these are computers. Remember that desktop computer is a computer, right? Desktop computer is a computer. Then laptop computer is also a computer. Desktop computer is a computer. Laptop computer is also a computer, right? Then netbook. Netbook. Anyone having netbook computer? මොකක්ද විශේෂත්වය netbook and laptop? What's the difference? netbook computer එකක් කාට හරි තියනවද? කවුරු හරි දැකලා තියනවද netbook computers? එෂිනි දැකලා තියනවද? Wait, Pute, something wrong in my internet connection. I'm trying to fix it anyhow. So can you see my screen or not? ගවේෂ මගේ screen එක පේනවද?
ඔව් සර් පේනවා.
මේ ඇහෙන්නේ නැති ප්‍රශ්නයක් තියෙනවද මේ රෙකෝඩින් එක මේව එක? sound
නැහැ සර් ඇහෙනවා.
නෑ දැන් නෙමෙයි එහෙම සැරින් සැරේට ඇහෙන්නේ.
ඔව් සර් ඇහෙනවා.
ඇහෙනවනේ?
ඔව් ඇහෙනවා.
මට පෙන්නනවා connecting කියලා පෙන්නනවා මම මේකයි බලන්නේ ඇයි කියලා බලමු මම මේ අනිත් එකෙන් connect කරලා බලන්න. I'm going to connect from using another computer. මේ පොඩ්ඩක් ඉන්න බලන්න. ඒක මම assign කරලා බලන්න. Okay, ඇහෙනව නේද?
Yes, sir.
Hi. Okay. So let's proceed. And so what is the difference between netbook and laptop? netbook එකේ laptop එකේ වෙනස මොකක්ද? ඔයගොල්ලෝ දන්නවද වෙනස් කියලා දන්නවද? නැත්නම් එක වගේද? ඔයාලට පේන්නේ බලන පින්තූරෙන් පේනවද වෙනසක්? Is there a difference between netbook and laptop? දැන් ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ ගෙදර තියෙනවද laptop ද තියෙන්නේ netbook ද තියෙන්නේ? In your home, what can you see? Is it a laptop or netbook? Do you know how to recognize that? Laptop කියන එක චුට්ටක් ලොකුයි පුතේ. So laptop is okay, I can show you both. මම දෙකම පෙන්නන්නම්කො ඇත්තටම. එතකොට ඔයාලා බලන්න ඔයගොල්ලන්ව අඳුර ගන්න පුළුවන් නේද කියලා. හරි? I'll show you both now, right? බලන්න මම මේ දෙකම පෙන්නන්නයි යන්නේ. Then let me turn on the camera. And this one that I just showed, this one is a netbook. මේ තියෙන netbook එක. Right? You can see it now. Can you see? It's small in size, right? Small in size and it looks like laptop. Right? Then අපි laptop එකක් බලමු. හරි. මේ බලන්න. මේක laptop එකක්. ඔන්න ටිකක් බරයි නේ උස්සන්න අමාරුයි. මේ දැන් මේ දෙකම මම පෙන්නන්නද? දෙකම මම අතේ තියාගෙන පෙන්නන. එතකොට ඔයාලට නිකන් තීරණය කරන්න. හරි. ඔන්න බලන්න. Can you see both? Looks like same නේද? එක වගේ පේන. ටිකක් ඈත තියලා පෙන්නන්නද බලන්නද? Can you see which is smaller, which is larger? කවුද ලොකු කවුද පොඩි?
Laptop is bigger and the netbook is smaller.
ලැප්ටොප් එක ටිකක් bigger නේ. මේ ටිකක් ලොකුයි යා. netbook එක එයා small. එයා බරක් නෑ. මෙහෙම උස්සන්න පුළුවන්. හරි ඔය විදිහට netbook කියන්නේ තනින් තන ගෙනියන්න පුළුවන් එකක් පුතේ. ලේසියෙන්. ඔය laptop එක අපිට laptop එක තියාගෙන ඉන්න පුළුවන්. මේ මෙහෙම කකුල් දෙක උඩ තියාගෙන ඉන්න පුළුවන්. හැබැයි තන තන ගෙනියන්න ගියාම එච්චරම convenient නෑ. අන්තිම netbook එකේ ටිකක් වැඩි වෙලාවක් battery එක තියෙනවා. හරි ඒක ගෙනියන්න ලේසි. So now what do you think? You have a netbook or laptop? ඔයාලා දැකලා තියෙන ඔයාලා පාවිච්චි කරලා තියෙන netbook ද laptop ද? laptop. laptop. So බලන්න මේ දෙක ටිකක් එක වගේ. හරි netbook is smaller, having small screen. හරි ඊළඟට hybrid කියලා කියන්නේ පුතේ the keyboard can be separated. tab එකක් විදිහට use කරන්නත් පුළුවන්. මේ keyboard එක high කරලා keyboard එක නැතුව use කරන්නත් පුළුවන් tab එකක් වගේ. tabs දන්නව නේද? tablet කියලා කියන්නේ. tablet computers කියන්නේ මොනවාද? මේ තියෙන්නේ. හරි tab එකක් දන්නවනේ. ඔයගොල්ලෝ tab දැකලා ඇතිනේ. tablet computers දැකලා තියෙනවද නැද්ද? එකක් දන්නවද? එකක් ඕනනම් පෙන්නන්න පුළුවන්. tab is a smaller one. right? tab එකක් කියන්නේ small computer එකක්. හැබැයි ඒකට keyboard එකක් වෙනම එන්නේ නැහැ. hybrid කියන්නේ so it can so there's a keyboard which can be connected and can be removed. keyboard එක connect කරලාත් පාවිච්චි කරන්න පුළුවන්. keyboard එක නැතුවත් පාවිච්චි කරන්න පුළුවන්. That's a hybrid computer. Tablet computers not having a separate keyboard and smartphone you know. smartphone ඔයා දන්නවා නේද? smartphone කියන්නේ අපි ගෙදර පාවිච්චි කරන ෆෝන් එක. ඔය ඔක්කොම computers. හරි දැන් ඔයාලා මෙච්චර කාල දැනන් ඉන්නේ නැත්නම් සමහරවිට මේක විතරයි computer කියලා. Right up to now sometimes you believe this as the computer but all these are computers. Your smartphone is also a computer. smartphone එක කියන්නේ මොකක්ද එතකොට? computer එකක්. දැන් සමහර ළමයි කියන පුතේ some students are telling some parents are telling so අපේ ගෙදර computer එකක් නැහැ ඒක කමක් නැද්ද කියලා අහනවා. class එකට join වෙන්න. හරිද? එතකොට මම අහනවා ආයේ computer එකක් ඇත්තටම නැද්ද? smartphone එකක් නැද්ද? smartphone is a computer. right? smartphone කියන්නේ computer එකක්ම තමයි. ඒකෙත් computer එකෙන් කරන ඔක්කොම වැඩ කරන්න පුළුවන්. හරි? සමහර වැඩ තියෙනවා අමාරු කරන්න. හැබැයි කරන්න පුළුවන්. සමහර වැඩ ඉතින් ටිකක් අමාරුයි. ෆොටෝ එඩිට් කරන්න එහෙම ගියාම ටිකක් අමාරුයි. හැබැයි කරන්න පුළුවන්. It's possible to do. Okay. So this, can you see this? මෙයාව පේනවද? What is this? මේවත් computers. කොහොමද size එක නේ? ඇයි මේ වගේ computers පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ? What do you think? Why people are using this kind of computers? පේනවද ලොකු computers? ලොකු room එකක දාලා තියෙන්නේ. අපි කියනවා super computers, සුපිරි පරිගණක. These are also computers. බලන්න fridge එකක් වගේ ලොකුයි නේද? It looks like a fridge. It looks like a fridge, refrigerator. ඇයි මේ වගේ computers පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ? ඔයාලා දන්නවද? Yes පුතේ?
So what is it used for?
That's what I'm asking. Why this computer is used for? These computers can serve then these computers can serve thousands of people same time. Thousands of people. Not one person. Thousands of people. Okay. So what is this website? I'm asking small question from you now. Right. What is this website? Okay. If I go there and go to this one, what is this website?
Google.
Google. Why we are using Google?
To find things that we don't know.
To find things. To find things. To find things we use Google. Okay. So how many people can find things in Google? Same time. What do you think?
As many as.
Okay. Okay, let's see. I'm going to find about myself. Hari mam ගැන හොයනවා. Dasun Nilanjana. I'm finding about myself. Same time, if Netanya is searching about herself, Ashini is searching about herself, is it permittable? Will it happen? Can you do that? Again, Mama Mangana Hoyanakota, Netanya Tapula, the Netanya Gana, Netanya, can you search about yourself same time? And Ashini, can you search about yourself same time? Can or cannot? Can. Right? We all can search each other. So Google will not tell you, දැන් නම් බෑ අර දසුන් නිලංජන කියන එක්කෙනා එයා ගැන හොයනවා. එයා හොයලා වුණාම ඔයාලට දෙන්නම් කියන්න පුළුවන්. එහෙම කියනවාද Google? Will Google tell like something like that? There's a person called Dasun Nilanjana. He is searching Google. After his views, I will tell you, Ashini. Is Google replied like that? No. No. Do you know at a single time, Pute, how many Google search? Let's search it. Oh, you can search that. How many Google searches per minute? Hari? Per minute. Per minute, there are 99,000 every single second. Can you believe? 99,000 every single second. හැම තප්පරයකටම කීයක්ද? 99,000 searches. Look. Every second. Tick, tick, you know, within a tick, single second, 99,000 people search Google. Oh my God. Such a huge searching capacity. Actually, these computers are used by the companies like Google. Why? These computers can give service to many people same time. These computers can give service to many people same time. 99,000 people can search. All of them will be given a search result. හැමෝටම සේවාව දෙනවා. මේ 99,000 ඒ හැමෝටම service එක දෙනවා. All 99,000 will be given the service. So that is the nature of Google. Understood? So what do you think? What are the other companies like Google? Who else might use this? Google අරුණම තව කවුරු මේව පාවිච්චි කරනවද මේ super computers? What are the other companies? What do you think? Google is one company for sure.
Wikipedia.
Wikipedia, okay, they can also use. Anyone else? What about YouTube? YouTube. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. Very good. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Google. Yes, they are using this. NASA. Have you heard about NASA?
Yes.
Doing science experiments. They are also using Microsoft. They are also using. Right? Android. They are also using. Likewise, so there are companies like Oracle. Large companies use this kind of computers. Okay. And these are also similar mainframe computers. Then these are called supercomputers. Supercomputer wala malli tama mainframe. That means supercomputer is the big brother. The little brother is mainframe. Mainframe is a bit smaller than the supercomputer, but still it can serve many people. But these computers are very, very small. Only one person can use at a time. Only one person can. But these computers can be used by thousands, several thousands of people. And this is also old mainframe. Earlier days, mainframe. There are some one computer called mainframe. Earlier days also. So this is that old mainframe computer. And see, these supercomputers are super in size. Mainframes are little. Then the workstation computers, some computers are that is like little brother, right? The big brother is supercomputer. The middle one is mainframe. Workstation, it's little one. Still many people can use. But mini computers like what we are using and the not mini computers, actually the microcomputers that we are using,
can be used only by one person. All these are computers. All these are having computers inside that. These are called embedded computers. So now, can you think about the computing world? We learn about many computers, right? The bigger computers, smaller computers, mid-range computers. Then these are also computers. Smartphones, cameras, DSLR cameras, CCTVs, action cameras, laptops, desktops, in some modern washing machines, robots. These are also computers, telephones, robot toys, right? And these are special printers, medical scanners. These are also having computers inside, and cars, modern vehicles. These are also having computers. These are called embedded computers. ඒ කියන්නේ චූටි computer එකක් ඒකේ ඇතුලේ තියෙනවා. car එකක් ඇතුලේ computer එකක් තියෙනවා. Embedded computers in car. Embedded computers in your camera. Embedded computer in your washing machine. Embedded computer in your refrigerator. So let me show that. Make a balance. So this is smart refrigerator, smart fridge. ලංකාවේ තියෙනවා අඩුයි ටිකක්. So this is a smart fridge. The fridge has a screen and you can do various things using this fridge. This is a smart fridge. This is also embedded computer. Right? Here can you see people are operating the smart fridge. You can see what's inside. Without opening the door, you can see what's inside. Maybe without opening the door, you can like sometimes you can place orders, and so whether this product is expired or whether this product is not there, we can check, and we can access, we can connect this to our mobile phone using Wi-Fi, right? Those are the features, facilities in smart fridges, right? Those are also embedded computers. Okay. And so then there are some other categories also. In hospitals, these computers are called the special purpose computers. MRI machines, CAT machines, PET machines. Have you heard of that? Computers? MRI, on the MRI computers, CAT scanners, PET scanners, MRI scanners. These are special purpose computers. NASA වල එහෙම තියෙනවා computers. These are special purpose computers. And so whatever we are using is called digital computer. We use digital computers. But there are analog computers too. And we'll learn about that. What is this analog computer? What is this digital computer? Digital computer is digital signals. But analog computers having gears, rotating wheels, etc. But there are some analog computers too. So special purpose computers are there in hospitals, and hybrid means mixing of all these features. Okay, let's see analog computer in Google. So what is this analog computer? So this computer is it's like a machine. Here, can you see? මේ වගේ තියෙන අර mixtures එහෙම දැකලා තියෙනවද ඔයගොල්ලෝ? ඔය DJ mixtures වගේ දේවල්. අන්න ඒ වගේ තමයි මේ computer එක. So this is having like different switches and rotating gears, levers to move. මේවා නෑ සාමාන්‍යයෙන් නේද? ඔය තියෙන්න පුළුවන් විදුලි බලාගාර ඒ වගේ තියෙන්න පුළුවන් ඒ වගේ. But normally මේවා අපි පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ නෑ. We are not using these analog computers much. So can you see this is an analog computer? අමුතුයිනේ. But this is also a computer. It's called analog computer. And digital computers, we know that name. The digital computer නම් අපි දන්නවා. Digital computer කියන්නේ අපි පාවිච්චි කරන ඒවා, whatever the computers we are using, we call them digital computers. These are digital. Right? Whatever the computers that we are using, we call them digital computers. Right? Okay, analog computers, digital computers. Hybrid means mixture of both. Okay. computers in NASA. If you see, so there are special computers in NASA having analog and digital capabilities. It's not just analog, not digital, it's not fully digital, it's having some analog features are also there because these computers are having doing special things. These computers are doing special things, so they are having hybrid computers sometimes. They're using hybrid computers. But in this special purpose computer, let me show that special purpose computer. This is in a washing machine. You have a special purpose computer because to wash clothes. And in ATM, sometimes they are using special purpose computer. And in MRI machine, special purpose computer. Yeah, this is also a computer, but doing some special work. It's not to edit documents, right? It is to withdraw and deposit money. That is also a computer. This is not to create a document, not to edit pictures, just to wash clothes. And in a camera, a computer in a camera serves special task, that is to take photos. That is also special purpose computer. Okay, then, okay, shall we write down these things that we have learned in a note? Otherwise, we will forget. I'm going to discuss about two special computers, two more special computers. But before that, let's write a small note, right? So let's write a small note. Let's write this. You can write types of computers. So please write the heading, types of computers. I'll show you nice video after this, but before that, let's type this. Types of computers. Okay, the first thing that we have learned is based on size and performance. Based on the size and performance. විශාලත්වයයි කරන වැඩේ යනු. Based on the size and performance. How we can categorize computers based on size and performance. Let's learn that now. Okay, based on the size and performance, the high-speed computer is supercomputer. It can serve thousands of people at once. So it is supercomputer. Then mainframe computer can serve thousands of people at once. But smaller than supercomputer. Smaller and less performing, right? Smaller and less performing than supercomputer. Then mini computer can serve hundreds of people at once. Then you have workstations can serve tens of people at once. Then you have microcomputers. So what are these microcomputers? You can say desktop. Example, you can say desktop that we are using, laptop, notebook, tablet, smartphone, smartwatch. These are microcomputers and embedded devices, embedded computers. These are microcomputers. That is based on the size and performance. But there is another category, as you saw, that is based on the technology. The next one is based on the technology. So what are the categorizations? So there are analog computers use analog signals and mechanisms then digital computers, not just the analog. We have another category, digital computers, that is uses digital signals and mechanisms. That is digital. Analog and digital. I'll tell you this in a future lesson. What is analog? What is digital? Okay, let's think like this. If you can turn on and turn off a switch, it has only two status. We call that digital. Tick tock, on, off, on, off, on, off. It's a digital one. But if you can rotate something and change, so there are some bulbs, night bulb or night lamp කරකවල එළිය අඩු කරන්න පුළුවන් වැඩි කරන්න පුළුවන්. ඒවා analog. Because we can rotate and change it to variable, not just on off. On off විතරක් නෙවෙයි, not just on off, we can just rotate and increase the brightness, rotate and decrease the brightness. That is analog. Analog means it's getting all the values. But digital, it's getting limited values, on off, two values. And based on purpose also, there's another category, right? That I'm not sure that we have start specific enough, right? Based on the purpose. So there are general purpose computers. Users, these users in data, in basically typing, editing, and so normally what you are doing with your computer, those are general purpose. Special purpose, so those are used for medical field. In medical field, we are using that in scientific experiments. Robots, cars, cameras, ATM. So these are special purpose, right? It has a special task. to do. Okay, this is how we can categorize the computers. Please write down this very quickly. Tell me once you are done. Please tell me once you are done. Okay. Then write the next thing. So I just wanted to show you this at the end of today's lesson. Scientists are not just thinking about these electronic robots, and they have invented some new thing in 2000, that means 2 years ago, called Xenobot. Have you heard about Xenobot? අහලා තියෙනවද Xenobot කියලා කෙනෙක් ගැන? Have you heard about Xenobot? Yes, Ishini?
I'm
Yes.
not finishing writing.
Okay. You have not finished writing, Ishini? Ishini?
Yes.
Right, okay. Can you take a screenshot පුතේ? Screenshot screen එකේ photo එකක් අහගමු. ඒකල වාට පස්සේ ලියන්න පුළුවන්. So let me change that again. දාගන්නකො ටග් ගාලා photo එක screen එකේ. පස්සේ කියලා දෙන්නම් ඔයාලට screenshot එකක් දාගන්න කොහොමද කියලා දැනට ඔයාලා photo එකක් දාගන්න. Photo එකෙන් ලියා ගන්න. But later I'll show you how to take a screenshot. It's easy. Computer එකේ Windows button එකත් එක්ක print screen button එක click කරා නම් ගන්න පුළුවන්. තාම අපි practical කරලා නැහැනේ. In practical I will tell you that, right? Okay, now it's enough. Right. Here, this is what the invention. Scientists ලා හොයාගත්ත. එතකොට යාලා 2020 අවුරුද්දේදී හොයාගත්ත විශේෂ රොබෝ කෙනෙක් තමයි මේ. ඔයාලා දන්නවද මේ රොබෝ හදලා තියෙන්නේ කොහොමද කියලා? Do you know how this robot was made? මෙයාව හදලා තියෙන්නේ, this robot was made with African frogs cells. African frog කෙනෙක්ගේ cells වලින් සෛල වලින් ගෙම්බෙක්ගෙන් හදලා තියෙන. එතකොට they have used heart cells and skin cells of the frog. එයාගේ හදවතේ සෛලයි skin එකේ සමේ සෛලයි පාවිච්චි කරලා හදලා. මේ රොබෝට මොනවද කරන්න පුළුවන් බලමු අපි දැන්. So you can see this is what it can do. එයාට group එකක් වගේ move වෙන්න පුළුවන්. It can move as a group. ඒ විතරක් නෙවෙයි. මේ තියෙන එයාට ඇකිලෙන්න පුළුවන්, දිගහැරෙන්න පුළුවන්, ඒ වගේ motions. It can move. එයා අර දැක්කද heart එකක් වගේ ගැහෙන්නත් පුළුවන්. Because it's made with heart cells, no? And not just that පුතේ. You can see it's made with this is, it can move from one location to another location. තැනකින් තව තැනකට යන්නත් පුළුවන්. These cells can move inside our body and can even live inside our body. These robots. බලන්නකො අපේ body එකට ගිහිල්ලා යාලට ඕන නම් ජීවත් වෙන්නත් පුළුවන්. කොහොමදනේ? So this is a powerful robot which can go inside our body also and it can live. And එයාව cut කරොත් එහෙම එයාට ආයේ තනියෙන් repair කරන්නත් පුළුවන්. එයාට damage වුණා ඔය තියෙන්නේ මේ. When here when damage it can self repair. දැක්කද? එයාට damage එකක් වුණොත් තුවාල වුණොත් මොකද කරන්නේ? It can say එයාට self තනියෙන් repair වෙන්න පුළුවන්. It can self repair. Okay? See, and it can work as a team. It can work as a team for doing various tasks. අපි හිතමු මෙහෙම. So let's say inside our body there's cholesterol, example, right? So cholesterol, එක්කෙනෙක් දැන් දකින one of these robots will see the cholesterol inside our vein. අපේ vein එකක් ඇතුලේ තියෙන cholesterol එයා දකිනවා. Then it can call other robots, hey, come here, we have cholesterol to clean. Let's clean together. It can tell like that. It can communicate with the other robots and tell, hey, come here. It's not like that. I'm just giving example. I'm not actually, they are not talking and telling you, hey, then you will hear big noise inside your body. All these robots are shouting inside body. That's not happening, right? හැම රොබෝලා ඇඟ ඇතුළට කියලා කෑ ගහන්න පටන් ගන්නවා එහෙම නෙමෙයි. But they can communicate. These robots can communicate and they can work together and do some task. එකට වැඩ කළා යාළුවන්ට task එකක් කරන්න පුළුවන්. Something like cleaning. So this is new innovation in science. Science වල අලුතෙන් හොයාගත්ත දෙයක් තමයි මේ robot. And this is called a biological robot or xenobot, right? Biological robot or xenobot. ඔයාලා හොයලා බලන්න මේ robot ගැන තව දුරටත්. So if you want to become a doctor one day, so it's very good topic that you should study, right? If you want to become a doctor, just study about these xenobots. Because these xenobots will be there in our future. අනාගතයේදී අපිට xenobot ලා හමු වෙයි. නේද? So therefore, please do study. Is there any difficult thing in the today's lesson I would like to ask from you? Is there any difficult thing or the things that you couldn't understand in today's lesson? Eshini? Yes?
No, sir.
No. Okay, everything is clear. Then what about Netanya? Netanya? No. Okay, Puti. Then let's wind up today's lesson. So good night. Let's see you all in the next week. Okay, goodbye. Good night.
Good night, sir. Thank you.
Bless you.